In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 travel organizers for summer vacations, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1, based on what actually makes the biggest difference when you're traveling. What's up, you guys? My name is Ashley, and if you've ever opened your suitcase halfway through a trip and felt like everything just turned into a mess, this video is going to fix that. Because the reality is, traveling isn't stressful because of how much you bring, it's stressful because of how disorganized everything becomes once you start living out of your suitcase. And that's usually the part people don't plan for, so this list is really focused on function. These are the organizers that are actually going to make your trip feel smoother, more structured, and just easier overall once you're actually in it, not just when you're packing. This list isn't about overpacking or buying a bunch of extra things that you don't need. It's about creating a system that actually supports you while you're traveling. Because the difference between a stressful trip and a smooth one usually isn't how much you packed, it's how easy it is to access and manage what you actually brought once you're there. A lot of people focus all of their effort on packing efficiently at home, but they don't think about what happens after they arrive. And that's where things can start to get really disorganized and honestly just annoying. You open your suitcase, grab a few things, move stuff around, and before you know it, everything is mixed together and hard to find. That's the gap that this list is designed to fix. When your setup is organized in a functional way, everything is just so much easier. You're not digging through your bag trying to find one item. You're not pulling everything out just to get something at the bottom. You're not repacking your suitcase every single morning just to keep things under control. Instead, everything has a place, and more importantly, it stays in that place throughout your trip. You can move through your routine without thinking about it. Getting ready in the morning is going to feel easier. Packing up to leave even feels easier. Even something as simple as finding your chargers or toothbrushes becomes effortless. And that's really what this is about, reducing friction. Each product on this list solves a very specific problem that tends to show up while traveling, whether it's clutter, limited space, or constantly losing track of smaller items. These are the kind of issues that can honestly add stress to your trip. The ranking isn't on price or popularity, it's just based on impact, how much each item actually improves your experience once you're in the middle of your trip using it in real life. So starting out at number 5 is the ProCase Travel Jewelry Organizer. This is one of those products that feels small, but if you wear jewelry regularly, it's going to make a big difference. Without something like this, jewelry usually ends up thrown into a pouch or random pocket in your bag, and once that happens, everything tangles together or gets lost, especially with necklaces or smaller pieces. This organizer fixes that by giving everything its own place. There are designed sections for earrings, rings, and even necklaces, which is the hardest part to travel with. I usually just wear all of my necklaces on the plane, so I don't have to worry about them getting tangled and me never getting to wear them again. It's also very compact, so it doesn't take up unnecessary space, which is, as you know, very important when you're trying to make sure you have enough space for all of your clothes and everything in between. This isn't necessarily something every single person needs, which is why it's at number 5, but if jewelry is part of your everyday routine, like it is for me, this is going to make your trip feel way more put together and less chaotic, and you don't have to worry about damaging any of your jewelry. At number 4 is the MATEIN Electronics Organizer, and this is honestly one of the most practical upgrades that you could make if you travel with any kind of tech. Most people bring more than they actually realize. You have your phone charger, AirPods, portable charger, sometimes camera, and then all the cords that go with that as well. Without an organizer, all that ends up loose in your bag, which means you're constantly digging around trying to find something or pulling everything out just to get to one item. This fixes that completely. Everything has its own section, so nothing overlaps or gets tangled. You open it and you immediately see where everything is. It also keeps your bag cleaner overall. When smaller items are contained, the rest of your bag feels much more organized by default. This is one of those products that removes friction. It doesn't change your entire system or your entire life, but it does fix one of the most annoying parts of traveling, which is dealing with loose cords and accessories. And we live in a tech gadget world these days, and so I know every single person is traveling with a million cords just like I am. So this really helped fix that, and also such a good price and such amazing reviews. At number 3 is the D&D Wanderlust Hanging Toiletry Bag, and this is where things start to feel more like a system instead of a product. This bag is designed with multiple compartments, which means you can separate your products in a way that actually makes sense. Your skincare, your makeup, your travel essentials, and everything has its own space. The biggest advantage is the hanging feature. When you get to your destination, instead of unpacking everything onto a counter or into drawers, you just hang the bag and everything is immediately visible and accessible. This is going to save so much time, keep things cleaner, and remove the need to constantly reorganize your items throughout the trip. It's especially helpful if you're staying somewhere with a limited space or sharing a bathroom, because everything stays contained and it's easy to manage, so you can even put it back in your suitcase every night if you need to. Again, it really depends on you and your needs, but having a travel toiletry bag is essential and is a non-negotiable. Again, if you want to check it out, we do have a link down in the description below. Okay, coming in at number 2 are the OlarHike compression packing cubes. This is honestly one of the biggest shifts that you can make in how you pack. This is what controls your suitcase. Instead of stacking clothes and hoping they stay organized, you're separating everything into categories. So you might have one cube for tops, one for bottoms, one for workout clothes, and one for swimwear. That alone is going to make such a massive difference, but the compression feature is what really changes things. It allows you to fit more into your suitcase while keeping everything structured. And more importantly, it keeps everything in place throughout your entire trip. When you open your suitcase, it still looks organized. Nothing has shifted, mixed together, and you don't feel like you need to repack everything just to find one item. This is honestly one of the most impactful upgrades to your suitcase itself. Again, the only reason it's not number 1 is because it doesn't affect your daily routine as directly as your toiletry setup does. Okay, so again, they have so many colors and so many different options, but it's so powerful to be able to condense everything and have your actual suitcase organized, okay? And at number 1 is the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. This is the product that makes a really big difference overall because it directly impacts your routine while you're traveling. So if that part of your setup feels messy or disorganized, it's going to affect your entire experience. This bag fixes that. And the other cool part about it is it's designed to hold full-size products, which means you don't have to transfer everything into smaller containers. I put my full shampoo, my full conditioner, my full hair products in there. I hate having to, I feel like I waste product every time I have to put it into something smaller. So having this where I can just throw everything in their full size has been so helpful. It also has a hanging hook, which is so incredibly helpful because you can just arrive, hang it up, and everything is right there. You don't have to unpack, you don't have to rearrange, you don't have to waste time trying to find things. It honestly just creates so much consistency in your routine, and that's what makes it number 1. Again, if you want to check out any of these items that I talked about, we do have links down below. Also, I want to be honest, you don't need all of these, and that's probably the most important thing to understand before you go ahead and purchase anything. The goal isn't to build the perfect travel setup all at once. The goal is just to identify what's currently making your trips harder than they need to be and fix that first. If your suitcase always turns into a mess after the first day or two, then packing cubes are going to make the biggest difference for you. They're going to give you the structure and keep everything from shifting around, which just means less time reorganized and more time actually enjoying your trip. If your mornings feel chaotic, then your toiletry setup is probably the issue. That's where something like the structured hanging toiletry bag becomes a game changer. It's going to create consistency even when everything else around you is unfamiliar. Now, if you're constantly losing smaller items like chargers, cables, or accessories, then the electronics organizer or the jewelry organizer is going to be the best fit. It's one of those upgrades where you notice the difference immediately because it removes one of the most common frustrations people deal with while traveling. I know how frustrating it can feel when you're traveling and everything just feels disorganized. It slows you down, it makes simple things more annoying, and it just takes away from the actual experience. If you want to check out any of the items that I mentioned, again, all of those links are down in the description for you. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best deals and trending products worth your money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.